What's up, you guys? Welcome back. So today I am super excited because it is officially the month of March. And not only does that mean that winter is finally coming to an end, thank goodness gracious, and I'm literally saying this while there's like 8 inches of snow outside of my door because it just snowed so much last night, but March also means that not only do we have our monthly March unboxing of BOXYCHARM, but we get BOXYLUXE this month too. So we're gonna be unboxing both like I did the last time that I got both BOXYCHARM and BOXYLUXE. I have not even seen any spoilers for either of these two boxes, so I am going in completely blind. I do not know what is in them, and I cannot wait. You guys know I'm such a big fan of BOXYCHARM. I am newer to the service. I think this is probably maybe my 5th or 6th month of receiving BOXYCHARM, and so far I have been so impressed with the monthly boxes. If you guys don't know what I'm talking about, BOXYCHARM is a monthly subscription service. It's $21 per month, and you get 4 to 5 full-size products, and I have found amazing products in these boxes. It is well worth the $21. Every month when I do these unboxings, we add up the value of the products, and it's always well over $100. So I have really been enjoying the boxes, but they recently introduced BOXYLUXE, which is really cool. This is my 2nd time receiving BOXYLUXE. And essentially what BOXYLUXE is, it's a much bigger box. I'm gonna put them next to each other so you guys can see. This is the regular BOXYCHARM, and then this is BOXYLUXE, so much bigger. And you get a lot more products in this, and this is kind of like a quarterly upgrade. So when you have BOXYCHARM, you can upgrade quarterly. So every March, June, September, and December, you will pay an additional $28.99 on top of the $21 you pay per month for BOXYCHARM to receive BOXYLUXE if you want to upgrade to it. And with this box, you're going to get full-size products as well, but it's going to be over a $250 value. And I think the first time I ever got BOXYLUXE, and the last time that I got it was in December, and I think the value of mine was over $300. So I cannot wait. I'm so excited. So what I figured we would do today is open both so I can show you guys both boxes and we can check out the differences and see the different values in the boxes and kind of what you get. So yeah, I cannot wait. I will have a link to BOXYCHARM in the description box if you guys want to sign up or you want to check out more. You can definitely click on that link in my description. But we are going to go ahead and get started. Make sure you guys subscribe to my channel if you have not already and click the little bell right next to the subscribe button so you get notified of all my future uploads. And without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. Alrighty, so we are going to start with the regular monthly box. Like I said, $21 per month. Let's see what she got. I normally feel like I know at least some of the stuff that's going to be in the box. Like I see spoilers, but this month I don't know anything. So I am going in so blind. This is what I see when I open it up. There is always a little pamphlet in your box which is going to show you the value of everything. So we will use this at the end to add up the value of all the products. So the first thing that I see, I am so excited about. So this is from Moda. I actually recently have started to try some of their brushes and have been so incredibly impressed. They make really great brushes, so I do not have these. I'm very excited. This is a powder and soft glow set. It looks like it's like rose gold or something, which is like, hello, my favorite color. This is actually the color that my bridesmaids wore in my wedding. Oh my God, so stinking pretty. Wow. You guys can tell I'm a sucker for anything like metallic like this, but this is so pretty. Super, super beautiful. Love these. Oh my God, so soft. Really, really have been liking this brand. Like they make really great products. So this is like a powder brush. You could definitely use this for bronzer, all over powder, or blush. And then we have this kind of more like tapered brush. So this would be great for highlighting. So these are super, super cute. Let's see what the retail value of these are. So this kit retails for $29.99. So we are already over the $21 that the box costs for these two brushes. So that is super fun. Then we have the Wonder Beauty Lift Off Purifying and Brightening Peel Off Mask. Oh my God, there is something about peel off masks that just soothes me so much. Like it's so just like, what is the word? Satisfying, I guess, to just like peel off the mask from your face. Maybe that's a little TMI, but I don't know. I love peel off masks. And this is really cool that it's both purifying and brightening. I feel like a lot of masks are like purifying masks or brightening masks, not like both. So this is really, really cool. And I do actually really like Wonder Beauty. They make a lot of really nice products. So I am so excited to try this. So this retails for $34. So also well over the value of the box. Dang, this month is a good one. Then we have, an Ofra liquid lipstick. Oh my God, if you guys watch my channel, you already know I love Ofra. I love their liquid lipstick. So this is super exciting. I don't know that I have this shade. Monaco? I think I may actually. But this retails for $20. This is such a pretty, pretty color. Oh my gosh, okay, we have to swatch it. We got to. I already have a lippy on, but I'm just gonna put it over. It's very similar actually to the lipstick that I have, so it'll work. But so, so pretty. This is a little bit more metallic than the lipstick that I have on now. Right now I'm just wearing MAC's Viva Glam 2. Oh, these smell so good too, just like cupcakes. Love, love, love this. You guys will love Ofra liquid lipsticks if you haven't tried them yet and you get it in your box this month. girl, you're gonna love it. Trust me. So this is a beautiful, beautiful shade. Very excited about that. Oh my God, okay. JK, I did know one thing that was gonna be in the box. Oh my gosh, this is really exciting. So BOXYCHARM and CoverFX like sent this to me a couple weeks back. I didn't know whether or not for sure it was gonna be in a box though, so I am so excited. So this is the Perfector Face Palette from CoverFX. How stinking pretty is this? Okay, this has to be like expensive in and of its own. Like this has to be a lot of money because CoverFX is like a high-end brand. Yeah, the retail value of this is $45. So that is a lot. This is such a beautiful palette. So you have a contour shade, a highlight shade, a finishing powder, a brightener, another highlighter, and then a blush. So I need to swatch the highlighter. Anytime I see a highlight, I need to just shove my fingers in it. That is really, really beautiful. Love that. Let's do this highlight. This one's a little bit deeper. So you got kind of like a golden tone and then more of a pinky toned. So pretty. And we have this little finishing powder. So I guess that's for all over the face. That's pretty cool. It has a little bit of shimmer, like a little sheen to it, so it would kind of add a little sheen to the face. We have a brightener. Ooh, right there. That would be beautiful, like inner corner of the eyes or like beneath the brow bone. And then we just have the blush. I don't know why I'm like using my fingers like this to swatch it. My sleeves are like really long, but that is the blush, pretty pinky shade. And I ran out of fingers to swatch the contour. Let me wipe these off. Let's check out the contour shade right here. Very pretty, just a matte neutral contour, which is exactly what you want to contour out your cheekbones. So super excited, and there is a big mirror on here too. But this is a beautiful, beautiful palette. I think I'm gonna get so much use out of this. I love face palettes like this because it makes it so easy to travel because I already have like bronzer, blush, highlight, finishing powder. This is like, I don't have one with a finishing powder in it, I don't think. I really love the Too Faced Natural Face Palette, but that doesn't have a finishing powder in it, so that's really, really cool. I like that a lot. So this is a beautiful palette. I'm shocked this is, I thought if anything, this was gonna be in the Luxe box. So that is amazing that this is in the regular monthly box because like, this is $45. That's a lot of money for only $21. So this is a good box this month. Okay, and then last but not least, I have this Appeal Liquid Eyeshadow. This looks so, so pretty. I've never heard of the brand Appeal before. Let's see what the value of this guy is. This retails for $21. It says it's a highly pigmented liquid eyeshadow. So this color looks really gorgeous. Let me open it up. I don't think it says the shade name on it. And then we will swatch this on my hand so I can show you guys. Oh, it has like a little brush tip. That's cool. It's not like a doe foot. Oh my goodness. How pretty. I am a sucker for sparkle, if you don't know me already. So this is right up my alley. That is beautiful. Love this. Love doing browns and kind of warm toned eye looks. So this is super, super beautiful. I love that. Oh my gosh, so excited to try this on my eyes. All right, so that was everything in March's box. I don't know how BOXYLUXE is gonna compare because this was honestly probably the best one I've ever gotten. Like, this was a really, really good month. So let's add up everything in the box and see. I feel like I thought last month was the best month I ever got, but now I'm like, girl. Okay, so the CoverFX face palette was $45. The Wander Beauty Purifying Mask was $34. The Moda brush set was $29.99. So I'm just gonna put 30. It's just easier that we don't have to deal with the 99 cents. The Ofra liquid lipstick was $20, and the liquid eyeshadow was $21. So it is a total value of $150, even though the box is only $21. So that is a really good value. Like I said, I am interested to see how Miss BOXYLUXE over here is going to compare because that's a tough act to follow, so I am so excited. I did get a couple questions the last time that I compared BOXYLUXE with BOXYCHARM about if you got both, if you upgrade to BOXYLUXE, and the answer is no. So for the month of March, if you upgrade to BOXYLUXE, you will just get BOXYLUXE, not both a regular monthly BOXYCHARM and BOXYLUXE. I just have both because BOXYCHARM was kind enough to send them to me because I wanted to do a comparison video of both of them to you guys to show you guys the differences in them because I figured that would be helpful. So yeah, but if you sign up, you will only receive BOXYLUXE. But that is also why sometimes in BOXYLUXE we'll see repeat products from the monthly regular box. Okay, so I see something right on top that I'm excited about. This looks like a makeup bag. Oh my God. Oh, I'm like already looking inside. Guys, oh gosh, I'm so excited. Okay. Let's see what the makeup bag looks like. It looks so pretty. Oh my gosh, this is so, so cute. I love traveling with makeup bags like this because this is actually big and will actually fit all my makeup. Whenever I use like the regular size travel makeup bags, I always have to bring like 3 because I'm like, your girl has a lot of makeup, but this should be able to fit a ton. So this is amazing. Plus it's such a cute print. So I love this. I will get so much use out of this. This is adorable. So love this. Okay, up next, right on top, I see Lily lashes. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I love Lily lashes. They're beautiful by Lily Galici. So these are limited edition faux mink. Does it say like the style? Oh, the style is, oh my gosh, I'm the worst at pronouncing things. G-A-I-A. Gia? I don't know, but these lashes are beautiful. Wow, super wispy, and that's exactly what I like. Like, I like them to be voluminous but wispy, and that's exactly what these are. So love that. Lily Lashes is also a luxurious brand, like high end. Okay, so I just realized I was looking through my box to tell you guys the value of these lashes. I'm actually missing the pamphlet in my BOXYLUXE this month to tell me like the values of everything, but pretty much all the products I should be able to just find the values online for you guys. The only one that I'm not gonna be able to find the value on is this little bag because it is like from BOXYCHARM, and then these Lily Lashes are exclusive to BOXYCHARM, so I can't give you like an exact price on these two. Everything else I should be able to, so we'll still be able to figure out what the value is. I will tell you Lily Lashes do range from $19.99 to $29.99, so these are probably around $20 to $30, but I don't know the exact price on these two guys. Everything else I should be able to figure out for you. So we will still be able to add up the value. No worries there. Okay, so the next thing that I see is the Emotiv Brush Kit that we got in the regular BOXYCHARM box. So again, this guy retails for $29.99, and since I did already receive it in the regular BOXYCHARM box, what I'm going to do is give it away to one of you guys. So all you have to do is comment down below what you're most excited for about this spring, since it's right around the corner. So just comment whatever you're most excited for about spring, and you'll be entered in a giveaway to win this, and I will send it to you. Since I already have it, I don't need to, so I'd love to give it away to one of you guys. Then next, oh my gosh, okay, so this is the IT Cosmetics Confidence in a Cream. I love IT Cosmetics. I literally was just talking about their eye cream in my favorites video. They're one of my favorite brands. They make amazing products. You guys probably already know that, but their Confidence in a Cream is a amazing product. This is a full size Confidence in a Cream, and this stuff is expensive, okay? I am going to look up the price on this, but it's good. That's why it's pricey, so it's worth the price, but I know this stuff is pricey. This is $48, okay? This is an amazing hydrator. I'm so excited. I actually had like 2 of these, and then I think I'm pretty low, so now I got another one. I'll put some on my hand to just show you guys how like moisturizing and hydrating this is. I have dry skin, and this stuff is no joke. Like, my hand literally looks like butter. I love it. I think this is the first IT Cosmetics product I've gotten in a BOXYCHARM box. I may have gotten them before, I'm not sure, but love IT Cosmetics, one of my favorite brands, so I'm very excited about that. And that is almost $50 like on its own. So we're over the price of the box already. And then we also have the Wander Beauty Lift Off Purifying and Brightening Mask that we got in the regular March box as well. So I will also be giving this away to one of you guys. So again, just comment down below what you're most excited for about spring, and you'll be entered in to potentially win this as well. Then we have a Becca Lipstick. Ooh, girl. Okay, so let's see. This looks like it's in the shade Sugar. Love Becca. Oh my god. Yes, this is so me. This is so my kind of shade. That is so pretty. It literally looks like the same as what I have on my lips right now. I'll go ahead and swatch this so you guys can see how stinking pretty is that. Love it, love Becca. And like, this is what I love about BOXYCHARM is I like BOXYCHARM because I do get products of BOXYCHARM from brands that I've never heard of, so it does allow me to try new products and discover new brands. Like the Appeal liquid eyeshadow that we got in the regular like March box. I've never heard of this brand, but I'm definitely gonna try this liquid eyeshadow because it looks beautiful. So it's cool to discover new brands, but then I also get brands that I really love, like Becca, like IT Cosmetics, like Ofra. You know, there are gonna be well-known brands that you probably already love in your box, which just makes it that much more exciting. So super happy about this. And the Becca lipstick is gonna retail for $24. Then we have this little Deborah Lippmann nail polish set. These are super beautiful shades. So we have Oh Donna and Modern Love. This one is Oh Donna, very pretty like mauve pink shade. This kind of color is so in for the nails right now. And then we have Modern Love, which is kind of similar, mauve, a little bit deeper of a pink with some gold shimmer in it. So I love this too. This is super cute. I do gel nail polish on my actual nails, but on my toenails I do regular polish. So those are perfect for that. And these guys are about a $20 value. The full size of these is $20 each, and these are a little bit more than half size, so I figured the two kind of half size ones are probably about $20. Then we have the Iconic London Eyebrow Cushion. Okay, what is this? I actually have been wanting to try Iconic London. I've tried a few of their products and really like them, but I haven't tried a ton. And I feel like they come out with like cool and like innovative things, so let me open this. Ooh, the packaging on this is so pretty. Love that. And then this is what it looks like. Oh my god, so it really is like a little cushion. What? Oh my gosh. Okay, so cool. You get 2 different shades, like a little bit of a lighter shade and then a deeper shade, a little spoolie, and a little brush. This is so cool. I am so excited to try this. I don't think I've ever used a cushion brow product. I love cushion foundations, so I'm excited to try. I love how you get both shades too. I'll probably use the lighter one closer to the inner part of my brow and then feather it out darker. But this is super cute. Love this compact. You also get a mirror up here, so love that. So I am excited to try this out. And this retails for $39. Then we have the Cover FX palette again. So beautiful. Not gonna swatch this one because you guys already know. I'm gonna give it away to one of you guys. So again, comment down your favorite thing about spring and be entered to win. And that again retails for $45. And then last but not least, I am so excited. We have the Morphe 15N palette. I do not own this Morphe palette. This is really cool. Like, this is a full palette. I have another Morphe palette that's like this size that I travel with a lot. It's not the 15N. I can't think of what it is. I talked about it in one of my hauls. I got it at Ulta. But I am so excited. How pretty. So this is the 15N palette. How beautiful is this? Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I think there are gonna be variations of this in the BOXYLUXE palettes, but this one is so pretty. I am so excited to use this. The Morphe shadows that I have tried in the past have been like super pigmented and really nice. So I am excited to test this out on my eyes. Okay, so that was everything in the box. I am like overwhelmed. That was a lot of stuff. I'm so excited. I'm excited that I get to give away 3 products to you guys as well. We are gonna add up the value of everything now so we can see. So first things first, we'll do the IT Cosmetics Confidence in a Cream. That was $48. I think that was the most expensive thing in the box. Then we have the Cover FX face palette. That's $45. The eyebrow cushion, which is $39. The Morphe palette, which is $16. The Becca lipstick, which is $24. The Emotiv Beauty Brush Kit, which is $29.99. I'm just gonna put in $30 to make things round and easier. The Deborah Lippmann Little Nail Polish Duo, which I'm estimating to be at about $20. The Wander Beauty Mask, which is $34. Okay, so all of that stuff added together is a $256 value, and that is not including the bag that we got and the lashes, because I don't have estimates on how much those retail for. I would say that the lashes are probably at the very least $20. Like, the cheapest Lily lashes are normally $19.99. So that would bring us up to $276 plus the value of the bag. So it's around $275 plus bag. So that is a huge value for sure. I loved everything. I'm so excited to try the things that I haven't tried before, and I'm excited to get some of my favorites like the IT Cosmetics cream, which I love already. So I'm definitely super impressed with BOXYLUXE this month. Definitely let me know down below in the comments what you guys thought and if you are going to be upgrading to it. And if you did upgrade, I would love to hear what you got. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's video. I love you very much, and I'll see you very soon in my next video. Bye!